morning, student. Now today I am continue this chapter 20 lines and angles activity 2. Question number 8. In question number 8, I read the question from the book, that is classify the angles as acute, obtuse, straight, reflex, zero, right or complete using their measures. इसमें बच्चों आपको एंगल्स बताने हैं कि ये किस टाइप का एंगल है. सपोज ए पार्ट दैट इज 107 डिग्री. विच टाइप ऑफ एंगल इज दिस? दिस इज एन obtuse angle because this measurement is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so it is an obtuse angle. We write here obtuse angle. This type of question comes, then you can give the answer in this way. Classify means only you classify, not to draw. Sometimes the students draw an angle, that is wrong. Classify means only you classify which type of angle is this. Now the next is, that is the 28 degree. In 28 degree, this is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Then next is, that is the 150 degree. And 150 degree is again a obtuse angle. Then comes 270 degree, and 270 degree is the, which type of angle is 270 degree? That is the reflex angle. And then comes 0 degree. And 0 degree is zero angle. Then comes 49 degree. F is 49 degree. This is also an acute angle. If an angle comes in this way, you can write the angle. Suppose G part, that is 90.5. G is 90.5 degree, and this is obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so it is an obtuse angle, you can see. So students, if H part is 285 degree, that is the which type of angle? Yes, reflex. And that is the 90 degree, that is the right angle. Then 360 degree, that is the complete angle. So students, remaining part you should try. Okay, 90 degree. If suppose here 90 degree angle, this is the right angle. Okay. Now students, the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9. What kind of angle is formed between the following direction? A part is given, north and east. हमें बताना है इसमें किस टाइप का एंगल फॉर्म हुआ, नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट. Clear? North and east. Again you read the question carefully and understand it. What kind of angle is formed between the following direction? इस डायरेक्शन के बीच में किस टाइप का एंगल फॉर्म्ड हो रहा है, ये हमें बताना है. तो you know how many directions are there? That is 4 directions: east, west, north and south. We write east, west, north and south. We draw the directions in this. You all know, you study in EVS that how many directions are there? That is 4 directions. You write east, west, north and south. These are the 4 directions. First you draw. Now you see north and east. It means this north and east. Which kind of angle you should draw? North and east. अब आप नॉर्थ और ईस्ट के बीच में कौन से टाइप का एंगल ड्रॉ हो रहा है? देखिए इस डायरेक्शन में ये इस टाइप का है. इट मीन्स 90 डिग्री एंगल बन रहा है. तो यू कैन से नॉर्थ एंड ईस्ट. विच टाइप ऑफ एंगल इज दिस? दैट इज विच काइंड? 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री किस टाइप का एंगल है? राइट एंगल. तो यू राइट इट हियर, राइट angle. Means north and east, in between which kind of angle is formed? That is right angle. Now the second one is B part. अब हम इसका B part करेंगे. That is north and south. The B part is north and south. In north and south, which kind of angle is formed? Now again, the 4 direction you should draw, and you see north and south. This is a north and south. That is a 180 degree angle is formed. It means which kind of angle is this? That is a straight angle. The angle whose measure is equals to 180 degree, that is called a straight angle. So here north and south, the angle is 180 degree and the kind of angle is straight angle. In between north and south, the kind of angle is straight angle. Now the next is, that is C part. The C is south and northwest. Northwest. Now again you draw the 4 directions, that is east, west, north and south. Which kind of angle is formed between south and northwest? Now you see which first, that is the south. This is the south. And northwest. Northwest, where you draw the northwest? You see this is north and west. North and west. तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट क्या हो जाएगा? इसके बीच में साउथ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट. जस्ट अ मिनट. साउथ इज दिस एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट इज दिस. नॉर्थ वेस्ट. यू ड्रॉ हियर आल्सो. दिस इज नॉर्थ वेस्ट. बीच में बनाते हैं हम. दिस इज द नॉर्थ वेस्ट. ओके, इसके बीच में बनेगा तो ये नॉर्थ और वेस्ट दोनों हो जाएगा. तो इट मीन्स साउथ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट. तो विच काइंड ऑफ एंगल इज दिस? दैट इज द नॉट रिफ्लेक्स, ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. करेक्ट. दिस इज द ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. मीन्स दिस इज द 90 डिग्री. साउथ और वेस्ट के बीच में कितने डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है? 90 डिग्री का. और जब इन दोनों के बीच में ये नॉर्थ वेस्ट हो गया तो ये कितने डिग्री का? 90 से ज्यादा है. इट मीन्स इट फॉर्म्ड अ ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. इफ an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then the angle formed is obtuse angle. So here the angle, which kind of angle is formed? Here south and northwest, the next is D part, south and south west. South and south west. Now again we draw the four directions first. Now you see south and southwest. Northwest is this, north and west, and southwest is this. साउथ साउथ वेस्ट कहाँ पे आ जाएगा बच्चों? यहाँ पे हमारा ये साउथ वेस्ट हो गया। अब हमें साउथ और साउथ वेस्ट के बीच में विच टाइप ऑफ एंगल इज फॉर्म्ड? नाउ यू सी साउथ एंड साउथ वेस्ट, हियर more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Which angle is formed? That is the acute angle. So here in between acute angle is formed. Which kind of angle is formed? That is acute angle. Now student, you see the question number 10. That is true and false. All of you see question number 10. True and false. Now I read the statement from the book. That is, the measure of a complete angle is 180 degree. That is false, because the measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. So this statement is false. Now number B. An obtuse angle is greater than an acute angle but smaller than a straight angle. That is true, because you know the definition of obtuse angle, that is greater than an acute angle 90 degree but smaller than an obtuse angle is greater, yes, acute angle से greater है ना, and smaller than a straight angle से छोटा है, तो वो एंगल कौन सा होगा? obtuse angle होगा obviously, है ना। Now C part, when two lines intersect at 90 degree, they are called parallel lines. That is false. जब ये intersect हो गए, they meet each other, then how you can say that is a parallel line? Parallel lines are those lines which do not intersect each other. Parallel line वो lines होती हैं जो आपस में नहीं कटती हैं, एक दूसरे को नहीं काटती है। तो C is the false statement. Now the next is D. The inner and outer scales of a protector read the same measurement at 90 degree. That is true. हमने कल बताया था आपको, ये प्रोटेक्टर है, जब इसकी इनर स्केल और आउटर स्केल लेकिन 90 डिग्री, चाहे हम राइट से पढ़ें चाहे हम लेफ्ट से पढ़ें, 90 डिग्री सेम होता है, चाहे हम इधर से पढ़ें चाहे उधर से मेजर करें, दोनों में 90 डिग्री सेम होगा। तो दैट स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू। तो D1 is true. Now the next is E. 285 is a reflex angle. Yes, 285 is a reflex angle. That is the E part is true. So we have finished all the questions of activity 2. Now students, you solve mental max corner and review exercise. Mental max corner solve in book, and for practice you solve review questions. Now student, we take the revision of chapter lines and angles. Some important point we will discuss and we should practice afterwards. That is, in this chapter, all of you know that revision. line, line segment and ray. The three important points, that is line, line segment and ray. Sometimes the differences are, sometimes the definition also asked. So you know that is line. A line has no end point. It cannot be measured. It cannot, it cannot be measured, and it has no definite length. Again I repeat, it has no end point, it has no definite length, and it cannot be measured. And line can be drawn like this. The two arrows shows that it can extend it from both the directions. Now line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. It has a definite length. It can be measured, and we can draw the line segment like this. That is A and B. Now comes to ray. Ray, it has only one endpoint. It has no definite length. It cannot be measured. And the figure we can draw like this. And the starting point you can say that is the initial point. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये तीनों चीज़ आपको अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. ये आपकी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वन वर्ड क्वेश्चंस में भी पूछे जा सकते हैं, और बिग क्वेश्चंस में भी आ सकता है कि व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस, है ना, all the three terms. The next is the intersecting and parallel lines. The intersecting lines are those lines when they cross each other and meet at a point, and this point is called the point of intersection. Now the parallel lines. The two lines are said to be parallel if they never meet each other and the distance between them is the same throughout. Okay, that is the parallel lines, and this is the intersecting lines. Now comes our activity 1, that is first question, fill in the blanks, and then draw some lines, and you classify which line is line, line segment and ray, and name all the line segments. Suppose if this type of figure is given and you say now give the name of the line segment. How you will give the name of the line segment? That is first is AB, BC, CD and DA. These are all line segments. Now the next, that is the angles. And in angles you know how to draw, how to measure, and the classification of angle is very important. That is all the definition you should learn. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, zero angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, and you know which kind of angle is this. Suppose the figure is drawn here like this, and ask which type of angle is this. That is the acute angle, because it has more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. If this type of figure comes and asks which type of angle is this is a obtuse angle. If this type of figure comes, that is a right angle, and this is a straight angle. And if this type of figure comes, that is the reflex angle. And this type of figure comes, that is a complete angle. So you all of you know which kind of angle is this. Suppose if any angle is given, here given 117 degree, and ask which type of angle is this, classify. So you can say this is obtuse angle. If 90 degree is given, you can say this is acute angle. Clear? So this is the important points. You all should practice activity 1 and activity 2.